Some are long, some are short, some are fat, some are thin. In this video today, I'm going to give you a close-up, personal look at my locks. So stay tuned, keep on watching. So welcome back guys to another video. I am Marie of Maz 777 Naturals. If you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by, but do consider subscribing. Press that bell so you will be alerted of my up and coming videos. Now today's video we're talking about my locks up close and personal, and I've been going through a lot of changes these past few weeks, few months, few years. I went through semi-freeform stage, which I'm still going through, although I did retwist the other day. Every so often I like to give my hair a little retwist to gather all the loose hairs into one place, and then I start back my semi-freeform journey again, because I don't twist my locks often, within probably around, depends, couple of months, could be 4 months, could be 6 months. I try to keep that routine going. So today's video I wanted to show you up close and personal how my locks have been. I retwisted my hair a couple of days ago, about 3 days ago, and all I used was water and oil. So my retwists don't last that long, and I don't do them very tight. So I just wanted to show you different locks. Right, look, this one is one of my thickest locks, and you can see, I think my grey hairs are travelling down my lock now. You can see it's travelling down right here. You can see some grey bits. I'm going to show you my thinnest lock, which is this one. Actually, I don't think it's that one. I think this one's my thinnest lock. It's a bit bumpy as well. So I think that was when I joined some together. At the end here, you can see a little bit of a bump where I kind of joined it together. And I also have short bits. Here, short ones. My locks actually are all different lengths. Why, you ask? My locks, as I've said many times ago in my videos, that my hair went through a stage where it got damaged due to me colouring my locks. So the shorter bits, what you can see is me cutting off the coloured parts. So you can see all these short ones here. I snipped off the parts which were damaged by the colour, and as you can see at the ends, you can see some of the colour left on the ends of these tips. There's not much left on this side. There's a little bit here. See? Little bit of colour. And I'm still going through thinning stages. You can see this one, another thin part where the colour has damaged it. So yeah, I've just kind of going through a stage where I'm just sort of snipping off any of the dead ends what I see, and that's why most of the time I wear my hair curly, because you can't really see. To me, like, I feel like you can see the different lengths and stuff when my hair's straight like this, but when it's curly it kind of gets more disguised. So yeah, I'm just going through that funny stage. Some bits are long, some bits are short, but at the end of the day, I believe it adds character anyway when your hair is not like perfect. I did I would consider perfect locks are all the same length, all the same size, but mine are not. They're probably more or less the same size, but lengthwise they're all different lengths, as you can see. You can see these ones here. That one there, short, short. This side. Short, short. I'm gonna pull out all my short ones so you can see different lengths. Can you see? Short, short. And then I've got like really long ones. This one comes down there. Comes at the back. Come down, kind of low. But yeah, all different lengths, guys, but I just make it work. Like I try and do styles where it's not so obvious that the hair's a bit iddledy-piddledy, but it's fine, it's cool. So I'm just wanted to say that if you guys also suffer with different length locks, don't worry about it. I mean, no one really can tell. I can tell. But when it's all out, it's not too bad, but I just feel that I feel like you can see it, which you can. On this side, I can see the long bits and short bits sticking out. And this side as well, short bits sticking out here. But as I said, I had to do what I had to do, which is cut the colour off, and I more or less cut most of the colour out. But as I said to you guys before, a lot of the colours are still in and I'm still going through breakage, but at the same time I'm looking after my hair more. I'm doing deep conditioning treatments, I'm doing steaming, I am doing my hot oil treatments, and it seems to be working. And also I've mentioned it in another video before, your diet is important when it comes to your locks, making sure you're drinking a lot of water, eating the right foods, etc., and hydrating your locks, making sure that you using your mixture. And the mixture, what I did the video before this one, the one when I use the aloe vera gel, I mean aloe vera juice, not aloe vera gel, that has been so good for me right about now. And also I have introduced a filter on my shower, so I'm going to come back with a video in about a month's time, because as you know, when I try something new, I like to give it about a month or even 2 months and then come back and share with you guys how I've been getting on. So I will come back and share with you about my water filter, which I had attached to my shower head. So I will share with you what happened with that. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed so you're alerted of my next video, and show you the retwist what I did. I'll show you the back. You can see the back, and it's kind of growing back since my chop. I don't know if you can see. It's about bra strap length, but as I said to you guys, it's not all one length. So although some might be bra strap length, the rest are shorter. But let me know, guys, if you've got any comments that you have, link them below this video, and watch my previous videos above. Don't forget to click on the links above. I'll post other videos above. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to this channel. We're well on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel. Let's get to 1,000. We're nearly there. And that's all for this video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.